Alright.
Sorry.
So we're trying to prank our dog.
We're gonna prank him.
We're gonna prank him and take his toy. We're gonna hide it and trick him.
Bruh. Stop. Just give it to him for now. Okay, he's a psycho. So, hey, SNS Nation. We're about to prank Bandit and hide his toy. And y'all can see him looking around, probably crying.
And kind of how we prank him is we throw it like we're throwing it, but we don't really throw it. So we throw it behind us somewhere and he looks around for it. He's crazy. Y'all see how psycho. So we got 2 cameras set up. Yeah. Let's get it.
Bandit.
See, what's your mind? Don't never black.
Bandit, give that to me.
Come on, we got
prank number 1. Trial number 1. Wait, first man, get the toy. Give it to Mama. Bandit, let go. Oh, Bandit.
He acting crazy. You know he don't care.
Hey, what's this? Hey, little baby. Look, see y'all. Watch this. And
watch it.
Oh, watch this. And
watch it. Ooh, magic.
Alright, babe, let's just watch TV.
So right now, we're doing our reaction to watching him. We can see what the other camera is seeing right now on the floor. Second view. In a minute, he might start crying and all. He gets really sad.
That's where he usually goes. He thinks it's on the table, so he's probably gonna get on the chair, y'all. Up.
Surprise,
Okay, prank 1. He did.
Prank 1.
Yeah. He got me.
Hey, he's funny. Okay.
All right, ready?
He's funny.
All right, ready? This time, y'all, I did put it on the table. Oh gosh, he's found out where it's at. Here's the issue, y'all. He can't really go.
Can y'all see him?
If y'all can see her, he's probably gonna try and he's going under the seats. Oh.
It was at this moment that he knew.
Bandit, did you find it, sweetheart? You got it? Let Mama see if she can help you.
Sweetheart.
Sam always feels bad for him and always has to go get it to him because he starts to cry.
Alright.
It happens every single time. And the reason we take it is because he squeaks the hell out of it when we're watching TV.
Come here, Bandit. Give it to Mama. Give it to Mama.
Let me give her that.
Let Mama have it. Let go. Look. Let go. Bandit. Now, why are you up in there? Let Mama have that. Let Mama have that. Bandit. Bandit. Hello? Oh, okay, guys. I don't think he's giving it up. Bandit, do you want to SNS Nation out with Mama? Oh. Ooh. Bandit, come here. Which way to race?
He's coming out.
Which one do you want?
Toy now.
Burger or chicken? Which one? I think he wants the
burger.
Burger it is. All right, hold on. Good boy. Ooh. Sit down. Show him you can sit. Good boy. Sit. Stay. Good boy. All right, y'all. So that is us pranking Bandit. It was a little mean, but kind of funny.
I do it all the time.
I usually give up and then give him his toy back, but I didn't this time.
So, make sure you like,
comment,
and subscribe.
And push that
post notification so you know when we dropping these hits. And if you love dogs, like,
and if you thought Bandit was a cutie patootie, comment below. Oh yeah, he needs a haircut. This is his quarantine hairdo, y'all.
Quarantine, so I'm still flying.
I gotta also put him in. He usually has a ponytail. We'll put that on for y'all next time. Peace.